Hi, my name is Dami. That's James, Kevin, Mark, and Sharon. So we just thought of something like my English is very bad, but I'm good with other like a specific language. So I was just thinking about it. What if I want to talk to someone like I want to talk to this person why comfortable? So we thought of like making our own SMS translator. So and Canada, we know Canada officially speaks two languages, English and French, and it's filled with a lot of people who speak different languages. And we, of course, we have a lot of language barrier. It's really difficult. There's some jobs who like they prefer you to like speak English and French, and there's just so much language barrier. And we thought of a way to solve this problem, SMS translator. So I just called Jem right here to tell you guys how it works.
So incorporating the Microsoft Translator API, we were able to build an app that allows users to receive or send text messages in the language that they choose. And we have 40 languages to choose from. And you can also choose to send in one language, but receive in a different language. So it opens so many possibilities. But anyhow, here's a little video demo of how the app works. Here we are with our two test phones. The one on the right has the app, and the one on the left does not have the app. And now on the right phone, we're gonna change the settings for language to be sent in English. And now we're gonna type a message in Chinese, but when it's sent, the message will get translated to English. It's translating, and here we are. So as you see, she typed it in Chinese, but on the receiver end, the receiver received it in English. And now we're gonna change the setting on the phone with the app so that it only receives messages in Chinese. So we choose language preference, receive, Chinese traditional. And now from a phone that does not have the app, I'm gonna send a message to the other phone. And as you can see, I am sending my message in English, but the phone with the app will receive it in Chinese. Voila.
So we decided to have a live video, so I'll just have Sharon come over and like anyone who speaks any language except English can just send it to her and she's gonna like reply you back to the same language. Sharon. Yeah, that's a number. So anyone who speaks any other language can just send a text. Um, just send a text like choose yeah, not English. If you can speak
In
any other
any
language.
language that's not English. I
No.
think no, there's Persian. There's Persian.
There is?
I think
Okay.
there's Persian.
No. You just need to send it to her. She's gonna send you back a message in your language.
Okay, the first message I received says, "What is that?"
It was sent in German.
Okay,
Nice.
so I'll send something in German. Hold on. Let's see. Well, I got a lot. Okay. Whoa. Oh, the second text I got is, "Hi, how are you?" The third one I got is, "Hello, it's going well." And the fourth one I got is, whoa, how is it going? The fifth one I got is, "Wonderful." The sixth one I got is, "This is a very well done." And now, how am I? Okay, I'm just going to send one.
So every message she's receiving it in Chinese. No matter the language you send it from, it's just gonna translate it and she's gonna receive it in
The
Chinese.
first one. Okay.
Kelvin tell you guys the codes behind it.
Oh. So quickly, we used open source SMS messaging app, and we altered it so it would use the Microsoft Translation API to translate auto-detect to auto-detect any language that is received or sent and translate it to a selected language. And once again, we used Microsoft Translation API. And I'll hand over to Mark to Microsoft Translation API.
Okay, so I'll discuss future innovations we have for this app. So we want to integrate calling into it. We also want to integrate it into stuff like Facebook, WhatsApp, just other social media, and also have it auto-detect languages. Right now you have to select the language that you want to receive it in, but it should auto-detect it, so yeah.
Thank you. And she said she got a message back in German.
Okay, thank you. I think we'll probably have time for a couple of quick questions. Let me get some people who haven't asked questions before.
So how do you deal with the problem of loss in translation? Because you do not have the original text of the, I mean, even if you have it, you won't understand. So what if I say a word called spirit, and it can mean liquor, or the ghost and whatever supernatural beings?
Oh, the thing is, we were working on something before, because like when we did it before yesterday, it sends you the original text and the translated version. So we decided like we're gonna work on it. So you're gonna decide like if you want the original text together with the translation or not. So we're still working on that also.
So we'll take another quick one.
If you have a word that means different things in different languages, how does your program distinguish that? Like, cause she sent it in German, I sent it in French, and she still got the message in Chinese. What if I send a German word that means different in French? How would the program distinguish that, or could it?
Well, it would, using Microsoft's translation API, it would do its best to using Microsoft's translation API once again. It would do its best to detect what language it's being sent from or sending from, and I guess at that point it's up to Microsoft's technology.
Okay, thank you. So thank you, Transformers.